everybody, I am Megha Joshi, Megzi Pop to you. Today we're going to make a very interesting recipe with leftover rotis. We're going to make roti lasagna. But before we get started, I just want to remind you, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. Let's start. Before we proceed, please take a screenshot of the ingredients that's on your screen so that you could refer to it later on. So first I'm going to put some onions, and with that I'm going to put some garlic. Along with this, now I'm going to add some green peppers, some yellow peppers, and some red peppers. See, it's just looking so pretty and colorful. It's amazing to have colorful food. See, we don't want this to get soggy and overcooked. We want it partially cooked. This is looking good enough. Now, I'm going to add some green chilies and the baked beans. I'm adding baked beans. If you want to make your lasagna, roti lasagna, with something else, with probably leftover sabzi or something, please do feel free. I'm just a person, I love to fuse a lot of my foods. Like, I'll mix Italian and Mexican, I'll mix Indian and Chinese. I think we all do that because we all have different palates. Now I will add salt, of course. Okay, so I'm going to add the black pepper. Right, so we are ready with the filling. Now it's time to assemble our roti lasagna. So I'm going to put it in this baking tray. I have old roti, which is yesterday's. I'm going to put some white sauce on it. White sauce, for those of you who don't know how to make it, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is take some butter or ghee, put a tablespoon of maida or even brown flour, depending on whatever your preference is. So here's one layer of the cream sauce. Now I'm going to put some of the filling that we've made. Again, this filling, very easy to make, but you can make whatever your preference is. There's one layer done. Now we're going to put another roti over it. Okay, again the white sauce, and then the filling. Right, and now right on top we're going to put some cheese. So here's our cheese, I've grated it. Okay, now I'm going to add the last thing, which is your black pepper powder. Lovely. And I'm done. I'm done with assembling my roti lasagna. Now I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees for 15 minutes in the oven. And my roti lasagna is baked. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to plate it. So my roti lasagnas are ready. If you guys have enjoyed my recipe today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. Of course, before I go, it's mandatory. I have to try what I've made. I'm just digging in. But messy, but yummy.